Episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you how to add new images to an empty array and how to display them using a forEach loop in a div. I have here the mini app from the last tutorial where we created together an HTML who get a new dog from an array when I click a button, take random from an array an image, and also have another functionality, a toggle dark mode. When I click this button, I obtain background will be changed in this dark mode, and when I click again it's light. I use here toggle class list dot toggle, and I add or I remove this class because toggle remove or add a class. Okay, now I would like to create here below this button a gallery with the images that will be shown when I click a button. When I click a button, for example, I have this dog, no? But this dog I want also to be displayed in my gallery here. After this, again I click, I want to display again here the dog. I have 2 dogs, now 3 dogs. Okay, I want to create a gallery with the image of dog that I take from an array. For this approach, firstly I should modify my HTML now with a div where I display the dogs. Okay, let me to put in HTML this div. I want under button, below button, and I give it a class gallery and an ID dog gallery. Okay, for this gallery I create an CSS and I put this CSS in the style. Here in style I placed CSS. Okay, let me to display this. Now nothing happens because I didn't create the logic for these things. I didn't create a function that display also an image in my div, in this div. 2 seconds. In this div, but in this div, no, in gallery. And for this should to keep the evidence of animal who appeared when I click, and for keep the evidence should to create an empty array where to keep this evidence. Okay, let's pass to JavaScript in this script tag, and here I will create an empty array. In this empty array I want to store the URL of the images that have been generated when I click. Okay, I call it const dogHistory. Here will be add my images when I click this button. Okay, now should to make a reference to this ID, no, dog gallery, to this element, and create a variable dog gallery, and I assign it document get element by ID dog gallery. I selected this div now with the ID dog gallery, this div, where I display the pictures. Okay, now let me to analyze this function. Here I have a function where I take randomly an image from this array, no, from a dog image array, and after I update the source here for display it. Okay, but also in this function, because I want all to happen when I click this button, and change dog image is on click on button, no? Okay, here is my button get new dog, and I would like when I click this button to display here in a gallery the pictures that appeared in this button, the URL. I display now here just in one place, but I want also to display in a gallery below. Okay, for this now I display okay, come back on my function. Now I display this image just in this div with ID dog image, but also I would like to display it in my gallery. I tell you before that I create for keep the evidence of my images, I create an empty array, no? My empty array is called, 2 seconds, dogHistory. My empty array is dogHistory. Hey, I would like to add in this dogHistory in my empty array the image who appear when I click get new dog, no? And how it is approached, how can I do these things, because I want to add new image URL to the history array for keep tracking of previously generated images. I've used the method push. I use the method push, and I add this new image source. Okay, let me to modify here. I add here new, let new image source equal this random, and I put this instead this function. Okay, I refactor this code. I put this dog image of random index in a new variable, and this variable I assign to this element. After this, here I add in dogHistory through push method this image. Okay, but nothing happened because I didn't create a function who update this gallery, and for this should to create a function update gallery. We create a function update gallery, and in this function we iterate through this array dogHistory, and we create an image here for display the images, and display the images set through add this source attribute to new image for store image URL. Okay, let's see what happens. Get new dog doesn't work. Probably this is more. Get new dog is not okay. Let me to restart this. Get new dog. No. Okay, why doesn't work? What happened when I click this button? I take randomly from my array an image, no? But I would like to display here in gallery. Let's analyze the function with update gallery. Here I have dogGallery inner HTML equal empty space because I want to clear the existing content inside the gallery before adding new images. Okay, after this I iterate through all image from my empty array, but this empty array is dogHistory is empty array, but this empty array is empty array. This empty array will be filled with on image animal when I click this get new dog. No, this image will be added in an image element because I create here an image element, and the source of this image element will be the picture, the URL will be the picture. After this image element I will append to my div. It's okay, but when happen this? When happen all? When I click the button. Let me to check the function with change dog image when I click the button. Okay, I think I found the problem. I didn't call this function update gallery because I have here a function, but I didn't call anywhere, and should to call in the function that are on my own click. This is the function because all happen when I click, no? Okay, I call when I click the button. Let me to restart, get new dog. Okay, get new dog. I have this image. This image appear also on my gallery. Again, get new dog, work, get new dog. But it's too big, this picture. I would like to make them smaller, and should to change the CSS. Should to change the CSS for image, but I want to use image, but in CSS I have also image. Do you see here? I have here image, but I want to modify just image from gallery. I want to modify just images from element who has gallery image, and for this use this approach. Modify please just image. I have here image from the element who class gallery. Okay, I restart. Now should to have a little picture. Do you see this work? Okay, for display this I use in CSS flex. Flex wrap. This wrap mean will be add a new line when is not space. No, I don't have space now, and pass to a new line. Okay. Okay, you see here, pass to a new line. Good. Justify content center. That means my image will start from center first. Is in center, no? If I put here justify content, if I put right, sure will be start from right. Okay, it's in the right part. I have margin top in gallery 10 pixel is the space between this text and the image. If I put here in the top side, if I put here 100 pixel, will be more down. Okay, good. I want to show another aspect in my code. I clear my HTML. Where is the line? I clear my HTML dogGallery here. Why I clear this? I clear this because now, do you see? Upper okay, the image appears okay, but if I comment this, I restart, you will see that will be duplicate. Do you see duplicate? Again duplicate, duplicate. I have duplicate. Sorry, more duplicate images. Let me to modify. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand how to iterate through an array, how to keep evidence with an empty array. and how to use the push method for adding in an empty array element. That was all for today. All the best.